It's the first holiday on the high seas, and we went all out this time. We are 7648, which is a deluxe family veranda. And I'm just going to give you a little tour here. So, as we just realized during the dry dock, they replaced the thermostats with any of the deluxe family verandas. Split bath, there's the toilet room, and here is the shower with the round tub that I love so much. Always suggest, as I put in all my videos that get watched by tens of people, you gotta bring the shoe holder. They're laughing at me. Queen size bed. This particular room sleeps 5. So you have the bed that sleeps 2, this sleeps 1, the pull down that sleeps 1, and then there is a Murphy bed if you choose to use that. And they will ask you at the beginning of your cruise what bedding you want to use. And here we have a lot of real estate going on here. That's why I love the family rooms, because there's so much more spacious than just the plain old deluxe rooms. And here is our veranda. We are on the starboard side, which is where I insist on always being, because I like facing port and I like being able to see the fireworks on Pirate Night. We actually are traveling with my daughter and son-in-law and my 2.5-year-old grandson, so this is the first time we've gotten to do this, where we have this open. So it's like one big veranda. So excited. The Fantasy just came back from a transatlantic. It had been in Europe since May. So they are working to put a lot of things on the ship. Oh, you'll see, we look down in between a lifeboat and other staterooms, which is nice. But anyway, yeah, they just came back from the transatlantic, which I did not stop to think would cause them to need to really restock. For example, right now there is no Diet Coke on this ship, which I'm having a heart attack about, because Europe, they don't have Diet Coke because it's bad for you. But it's my only vice in life, so yeah. They are supposed to have it in, like when you go to Cabanas. We went to Cabanas for lunch for a change. Usually we go to Animators on embarkation day, but we went to Cabanas and went to the fountain, and there was no Diet Coke, only Coke Zero, much to my dismay. And I did ask, and they said it was because they were in Europe, which I assumed, and they would be restocking it hopefully by the end of the day. We were also, this is the first Merrytime Cruise, as I said. We were supposed to have our rooms decorated, but again, because they were not in America, they don't have the supplies yet, so they are loading them on now, as you can see. Hi guys, nice to see you down there. Get to work. So yeah, so that is 7648 on the Disney Fantasy, our favorite ship. And I hope this helps. I always like to Google staterooms when I'm looking, because I like to see what they look like and where they're located and what the view is beforehand. So that's why I always make these videos. So thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.